So it's about 100 degrees in here. Late at night. It's about 10 o'clock at night right now. Hurting as always. Where? Shout out to Seven Sisters. Hey, Mike. But I need to show you something. It's got shit poking through the hood. Oh my God, it makes me so fucking happy. It's so fucking worth it. Now it's a real car. Like it's hard to understand and describe, but this is the moment I realize this car is real. It's real. This car is, it's real. It's here. The title's in my name. It exists. Fuck. Fantastic.